I am Dr. R. Devi, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Business Administration, KCS Kasnadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, let us see the classification of advertisement. The classification of advertisement are classified on the basis of target audience, geographic coverage, media used, and aims. First, on the basis of target audience is consumer advertising. The first type in target audience advertising is consumer type of advertising. It is done by the manufacturer or dealer of the product or service. Examples of consumer advertising: television, radio, print, support media, digital or interactive media, and sales promotion. Next type in target audience is industrial advertising. Industrial advertising usually refers to advertising that is directed at manufacturers buying raw materials or equipments used in their manufacturing process. It is also known as business to business. It is the strategy of attracting the attention of business and convincing a company to purchase the goods and services offered by another business. Some of the common types of industrial advertising are trade shows or business fairs, industry publications such as trade magazines or websites, direct advertisements including brochures, postcards, or catalogs. Next classification is on the basis of geographic coverage. They are classified as national, regional, local, and international. In this, the first is national advertising. It is any advertising that is placed by a company, organization, or individual that operates on a national basis. The objective of national advertising is to inform or remind consumers about a company or brand. Second is regional advertising. It is done by the sponsors for advertising the goods or services on a company in a certain region or state. Regional advertising also refers to putting the advertisements in different media for influencing the decision of the people in a certain locality or a geographic location. The place could be a country, city, state, or region. The example or advertising for products with the person speaking in a South Indian language to influence the people from South India. Third is local advertising. Local advertising means advertising and promotion undertaken in media directed primarily in local market area. This type of advertising is done by major retailers or smaller local merchants to encourage consumer to shop at a specific store or use a local service such as local financial companies, bank, hospitals, fitness club, restaurants, showrooms, etc. Next in this is international advertising. It is business activity involving advertisers and the advertising agencies that create ads and buy media in different countries. Global advertising or international advertising consists of collecting, processing, analyzing, and interpreting information. International advertising also refers to advertising which is carried out in multiple countries around the world. The next classification in the advertising is on the basis of media used. In this, the first is print advertising. It means advertisements that are printed in hard copy in publications such as in newspaper, magazines and journals. It's likely to be read by the target audience. Magazine and newspaper advertisements are another way to spread the word about a product or service. The main advantage of this print advertising is that is allows to target the audience. Next is television and radio advertising. TV and radio advertising is a popular way to mass market messages to large audiences. It is also one of the costly forms of advertising. The next type is direct mail advertising. It encompasses a wide variety of marketing materials including brochures, catalogs, postcards, newsletters and sales letters. Direct mail lets to communicate one-to-one with the target audience. It is the advantage in the mail advertising by connecting the customers directly through the mail. Next type of advertising in this is outdoor advertising. It is also known as out-of-home advertising. It is the advertising that reaches consumers when they are outside their homes. The Outdoor Advertising Association of America says that's where consumers spend 70% of their time. The most commonly known type of outdoor advertising is the billboard. The next classification in the advertising is on the basis of aims. First one is financial advertising. Financial advertising is the practice of advertising to stakeholders of financial services, investors, loan seekers, banking and mortgage customers. The type of financial advertising are general and life insurance, LIC, SBI Life, Bharati AXA. Mutual funds, Aditya Birla, ID banking facilities loans, brokers and mortgage, etc. Next type in this primary demand advertising. Primary demand advertising is intended to stimulate primary demand for a new product or product category. It is heavily utilized during the introduction stage in the life cycle of the product. It also educates the consumer base about the benefits of an entire product class. The next type in this classification is secondary demand advertising. Secondary demand is very specific, the demand for goods or service products by only one firm is called secondary demand. It covers only specific brand of certain class of product. It can be said as the demand is the advertisement pictured below of Pepsodent toothpaste provides a statement on how its toothpaste is more effective than the competitor of Colgate. The next advertising is product advertising. Product advertising is the art of building and maintaining product awareness with potential buyers. When the company tries to sell its product or services, Through advertising, it is called as a product advertising. A good advertising program educates potential customers on why they need the product, how it is used, and the benefits derived from its use. A successful program also tells the consumer how the product is better than similar offerings by competitors. Another type in this is social message. Social advertising represents advertising formats that engage the social context of the user viewing the advertisements. Many current examples of social advertising use a particular interpretation service to collect social information, establish and maintain relationship with consumers, and for delivering communications. Social media advertising can raise brand awareness, increase sales, and convert customers into brand advocates. Examples are advertisements that promote a community health and well-being, such as programs that educate people about drugs disease and other social issues. In this, the next is direct action advertising. This is done to get immediate responses from customers. Direct responses advertising is meant to compel people to take an immediate action from an ad. A big advantage of direct response advertising is that the campaigns will provide with measurable results. Direct response marketing is perfect for achieving the goal and can be an extremely valuable advertising method for the business. Examples: season sale, purchase coupons in a magazine. The last type of advertising is indirect action advertising. Indirect advertising occurs when a business chooses to not simply promote a product but instead work to establish a relationship with the people that read, hear, and see the advertising. Indirect advertising is the just opposite of direct advertising, which explicitly tells potential consumers that they should buy a specific product. After getting advertisement, he does not rush to buy the product, but he develops a favorable image of the brand in his mind. The advantages of indirect action advertising is that it does allows an organization to be more authentic and natural with the way of communicates to potential customers. With this classification of advertising are explained in a brief manner. Thank you.